Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching, I am Teshanna. Thanks for tuning in today. Today's video is going to show you guys how to create the perfect braid pattern for a middle part lace wig. I am wearing a beautiful custom lace wig that I made, which I am absolutely loving it. I custom colored it. It's a little purple, violet, little violet, purple, and a red going on in there, if you can see. Hopefully you guys can see that. It's so pretty. Yes. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, please make sure that you stay tuned and continue to watch. Also, make sure that you subscribe, comment, and hit the little bell down below so you can be informed for future videos to come. Thank you guys so much for watching, and remember to always shine bright wherever you go. Thank you guys for watching. Hey guys, so I'm jumping straight into the video. I'm going to remove my hair from that ponytail holder, and I am going to use this holistic oil that I love to put in my hair. It helps prevent any breakage. Next thing I am going to do is part my hair down the center using a rat tail comb, and I'm going to use a clip just to put away one side of my hair. Next, I'm going to use that rat tail comb and do a part straight down the front, and then I'm going to start to braid my hair. Just make sure that you do the part even, that way that there is no hair tugging in between the braids, and clip away with a duck clip any flyaway hairs. That way it just makes it a lot more easy for you to get a clean braid. So as you can see, I am beginning to braid my hair. I'm braiding it very close, and I'm also making sure that I get all of my edges in to the cornrow. Make sure that you braid it all the way down to the end. Next, I'm starting on my second braid, clipping away those flyaways and just repeating the same steps. Make sure you braid very close and very neat and all the way down. Next thing I'm going to do is make sure that I attach that first braid to this braid. And we're going to repeat that step over and over again, so that way it's only two braids left in the back on the left and the right side. Just repeating the same cycle, making sure that my braids are flat and neat, and attaching that second braid to the third braid. I'm already on the opposite side of my head now, so I'm just moving forward and creating the same braid on the opposite side. Make sure that the braid is neat. Make sure that you get all of your edges into the braid. And repeating the same step. It's very repetitive, but you want to make sure that your braid pattern is very neat, so that way your wig will lay down much flatter. So now I'm done. I'm going to use the Got2b gel. I love this gel because it is water resistant. I tend to sweat in my head, and this gel makes sure that my edges does not sweat out. So I'm going to use a brush just to brush my edges back. And then the next thing I am going to use is going to be the essential tea tree oil. I love this oil. I am natural, so my hair loves to soak up oil, and I like to make sure that I feed it the oil it needs. So next I'm just using my silk scarf just to lay down those edges. And you have to be very patient with this part. I usually leave it on just for like a couple of seconds, and then I remove the scarf. The Got2b gel really dries very quick. Next, you want to use a wig cap, and I'm gonna just pop this wig cap right on. As you can see, it is not the exact color of my scalp. I will show you guys how to darken it up. In the middle part, just spray that Got2b spray on the top and blow dry it. This spray is very firm and it holds. I love this spray because it makes sure that the front part of the lace closure wig just lays so flat, and it just looks so much more natural when I use this spray. Make sure you use a blow dryer on cool too. Next, moving straight on to adding the powder to darken up the middle part of my wig cap because it is too light. You can use any powder, it doesn't matter, as long as it matches your skin. That will be a good one. I'm using the MAC Mineralize powder in medium tan. Next, I'm going to apply my beautiful lace closure wig on. It does have an elastic band in there. I love the elastic band because it makes it feel as if it is actually sewed on. I'm just tugging it and pulling it, making sure that it is centered in the middle part of my head. Next, I'm just using a rat tail comb, just combing through it. And then I'm going to use a Demi brush just to brush all the way through, just to make sure everything is even all around. And I'm going to use a little bit of the Chi Moroccan Argan Oil just to lay down any flyaway hairs. This oil is not going to make your weave greasy or oily, just give it a nice little shine. And I am absolutely done, guys. Thanks for watching the video. I love this look and I can't wait to see how you guys recreate this braid pattern, and have an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next video.